cellphone. Are you ready, kids? Before that, I introduce to you myself. You can call me Kuya P. And this is Tracy. You can call me Kuya Ray. I have the story for you. The title is Tarangkal. The story Tarangkal is a story that which is a small kid like this size, but he has a big future in his life. Okay, I will try to you to read the story. Okay? So listen carefully. So I start now. One day there was a kid living in a one hut, big hut. Just like in Tagalog, bahay kubo. But his parents loved him so much, so much. And then the next one. He looked to himself that he's so weak that he can't do anything good to his parents that he loves them so much. Surprisingly, he ate so much in a one big place that there was a lot of food, but he never ate food. We ate a lot of food. Okay. Until the day comes, they get even got older. They have no more money. They have only 6 peppercorns for eat them. Okay. Until he decided to walk away. Because he's very so sad, he's very sorry for his parents because of his promise. Until he walk away, he found a place where there's no people you can find in any place. It was very quiet. Until he saw a big foot, just like a foot of a monster. And then, after that, he saw a big monster that he couldn't, that he see, that. And this man said, "Wah, wah, wah." And until he picked up into his coral, and he's afraid that he eaten. Until he thinks that the big peppercorn would do. Until the monster and slip out of balance, and then he falls into the stomach, and then he dies up. And then because of the strong music, the people move up into the places, and then the people knew that the only one who can do that, the monster, is just a small kid that he can. That monster didn't eat long time ago attacking their village until the Daku was the person who was abusing. And because of that, Tarangkal do is given an advice. This wishes is to get a big house and that of land in the up here. They become up here and the people will keep a hero. Then they have they the song. That he could realize we have a good talent even in a small person. Okay? Do you understand well? Okay. So, I will have a person with you. What is the name of the boy? Did his mother love him so much? Yes. How does he eat? Did he put it to a lot? Yes. After word for Karamal, what is the another word for him? What did he ask for? A wish. After he killed the giant monster, what did he wish for? Yes, correct. A big house. Amen. What did you learn about the story? Even you are small, you can make a big future in your life. Even although you are so small, you can do it. Okay? And that's that. Thank you.